My Reading, a basic tour. Welcome to this introductory tour of My Reading. To access your reading list, log into Blackboard, select the relevant module, then scroll down to the My Reading section and click to view the reading list. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So I begin by searching for a module using the code. Here you can see that once I have typed it, the module appears. You can also scroll down until you see it. Now I am clicking the module and this is what it looks like. Now I'm scrolling until I find My Reading and I'm going to click into it. So here is the reading list for this module. You've got the module code and name at the top, the academic year, and some text that has been added by the module leader. There's a table of contents, and if you click on any of these, it will take you straight to the section. You can also search the list from the search box by entering an author's surname or a keyword from the title. Here you can see the tag definitions document. This explains terms like essential, core, and recommended reading. You'll see these all the way down the list next to each resource, and these simply denote the relative importance of each item. So, for example here, if I click on the View Online button, it will open the document and then you can read it. Coming down the list, you will see that there are different icons. You may see icons for chapters, books, web pages or films, etc. And if there's a cover image from a book, you will see it, kind of like this one here. If I click on the book's title, it will link through to WorldCat and draw information through from WorldCat. If I click on the Copy Available link, this will take me through to WorldCat to the item level record for this book. But I'm actually going to collapse this back down and come back to the top of the list to show you the View Online buttons in a little bit more detail. So this one here is an online source. So I'm going to open this one up. Okay, let's try another one. And let's try another one. If I'm off campus, I can do the same thing, but it will prompt me to log in with my student username and password. And that's the same ones that you use to access library databases off campus or to log in to Blackboard or your student email. If you need further support with locating resources, please visit the Hub or contact the Library Services team via libraryhelp@lincolnbishop.ac.uk.